Hi, Taiwo here. Real quick, I just wanted to come on here to explain the three biggest mistakes we saw medical practice owners and RNA physicians made in 2025 that led them to overpaying in taxes. And in hopes that this is going to help you if you're watching this video to avoid the same mistake in 2026. And this also applies to any taxpayer or business owner that owns a business and that owns a profitable business as well. So before I go right in, my name is Taiwo Agbaje. I'm a tax strategist. I'm also a certified public accountant, and I work with medical practice owners and physicians to help them strategically and legally save on taxes so that they can grow their wealth. Now, back to the mistakes. The first mistake is not having an accounting and a good bookkeeping system. This is very critical because it is the foundation for your tax planning, your tax preparation. It's also the foundation for your decision making for your business. If you're not keeping tab on the financial health of your business, of your practice, it delays decision making. It also oftentimes leads to overpaying in taxes because you might end up missing certain deductions that you're eligible for. Yes, we saw quite a number of people have QuickBooks, have their system set up, but unfortunately, those transactions and statements were not properly categorized and reconciled. And so without the proper reconciliation and categorization, you end up having a system that is not working for you and that's not going to help you really make decisions and move forward in your business. The second one is not paying quarterly estimated taxes. A lot of medical practices are profitable, and so they have to pay quarterly estimated taxes to avoid extra penalty on their taxes at the end of the year. We often saw that most practices don't do this, and if you delay your quarterly estimated taxes till the end of the year, you would have accrued penalty and extra interest that is completely avoidable to your practice. To avoid this, you have to ensure that number one, you have an idea of what your profitability was for the quarter, and then you make an estimated tax payment based on the profit that you made during the period. You can do this by going onto your IRS website to make your quarterly tax estimate. Then the last one is waiting till the end of the year to do tax advisory or do tax planning. All of the strategies that helps you to reduce your tax liability are only available and implementable before the end of the year. Yes, there are some that you can still kind of implement after the end of the year, but they are not a lot. The key ones are you have to implement them before the end of the year. And so when you wait till tax season, when you wait till January to determine the strategies that you want to implement, it's often too late and you've already left money on the table. To avoid this for 2026, I strongly encourage you to work with a tax strategist, not just a tax preparer, a tax strategist that also understands compliance and advisory and planning to help you plan accordingly, be more proactive, and legally keep more of your money in your pocket and also keep you out of IRS problems. If you're looking for that tax person, come and work with us. Click on the link in my bio to schedule a call with me and someone on my team will get back to you. I'll see you next time.